up, guys? It's Cutie Kitty, and welcome back to another Minecraft.
Minecraft.
3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cutie Kitty, and welcome back to Build Versus. So today I am back with Sound Cabbage.
Sound Cabbage in the house.
And we're going to be continuing with episode 5. Okay, so it is time for us to reveal who won last time. So, Sound Cabbage, you go do that.
Reveal it.
I meant reveal.
What do I do? Why am I'm moving when I'm not even trying to move? What is going on?
So, yeah, Kira won last time. So, can you put off the fireworks? Oh, yeah. So, she won. It was really close, though. It was like almost 50-50, but it wasn't. So, anyways, this...
Kira?
Yeah. So, this time, we're going to be building emojis. So, yeah. Let's go get building. I'll do a countdown. Let me get my timer. Okay, go to your area, and we'll start building. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So, on my phone, I have pulled up who is building what emojis. We decided beforehand. And, yeah. Also, at the end, I should, pop up on the screen what emojis we were trying to build, if it's not already obvious. So let's see, what colors do I need?
Boy.
I'm going to need this color. I'm going to need this color, this color, this one. We're going to need this. And I think that might be it. So, let's get building. Yeah.
How do I do this? I had a plan.
You had a plan? Five, 6.
What did you, what?
8, 9,
Uh-oh.
10, 11.
Uh-oh.
Cancel, don't shut down. Oh, also, the rules are, if you haven't already seen this before, I have the rules listed in the description, but the rules are you aren't allowed to look at the other person's build while they're building it. You have to build inside of your designated area, and once the time is up, you have to stop building. And at the end of the video, you guys vote on whose was your favorite. And yeah, that's basically how this works. That is not even, first of all. Right. So, I don't really know. I feel like in this series, we're always very silent because
It's hard.
concentration is a key. So we each picked out 5 emojis to build, but we're probably not going to get to all of them. But that's okay. We just picked out 5. I thought that horse over there was you, and I'm like, what are you doing wandering around the whole area?
No, I'm right here.
'Cause it was brown, and your suit is brown.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I'm having trouble now. I did something I shouldn't have done.
What should you have not done?
I
think I might be building these a little bit too big, which is not good. Hopefully I have time to finish. I've never not finished. That's my biggest fear in this series, not finishing. Okay. So.
Oh boy, how much time do we have?
I can't check.
Oh, I mean total.
20? 20 minutes, yeah. Okay, first we need to get the eyes. That's one eye. There's another eye. Your eyebrows can go right there. This looks ridiculous already. Oh, that's beautiful. That is crooked. How am I supposed to make these? It's hard to make round shapes in Minecraft.
It's very hard.
Like
what keeps happening here?
You have your finger on the power button.
Oh goodness.
Wait. This material is so black you can't even tell what you're doing. Oh, it's raining. Hold on, I'll get rid of it.
I think I bit off more than I can chew.
Why do you say that?
Because I'm going to run out of time.
Me too. I haven't even finished one yet.
How many are you making?
I'm not sure. As many as I can in the time that we have.
Why am I... What's going on here? Oh my...
What? Sure. You know what? Sure. How am I supposed to make this shape? I do not know. We just had an incident, but that's okay. Okay, those kind of look right. Okay, sure. What just happened?
I don't know what's going on right now.
Wait! My screen's broken. It's like not doing the right thing. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. We're going to build the next one right there. No, wait. We're going to build it right there. See, my plan was to lay out all the bodies and then do them. Like, then add the details. But now I feel like I don't want to, like, make 5 bodies and then, like, leave them half done.
What?
So I'm just going to go piece by piece.
I'm not sure what my plan is right now.
I don't know. It's not a good place. I'm not in a good situation right now. I just built one and it's like covering up the other one that I built. So it's not a good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, what?
Okay. Phase 1 complete.
Okay, good. Okay, so.
What happened? I'm upside down. I'm not sure where am I. Here I am.
Here I am.
much time do we have?
We have... we have 12 minutes.
Oh, no. Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I'm stuck.
I think I went about this all the wrong way. Okay, wait. We need to do something. Okay, no, that's good. That's good. Good, good, good.
Oh, my goodness.
I built these way too big.
Yeah, I'm having some issues here.
And I chose like the hardest emojis ever.
I chose the simplest.
So why are you having issues?
Because I'm just really slow.
It's like taking me forever just to like get these laid out. Like I'm struggling, guys. I'm definitely not gonna get to all 5.
5?
Well, I have 5 that I picked out, and I'm not gonna get to all 5 of them. Okay. I'm gonna try to get to 3 of them. That's my goal. Finished 3. Took me like 8 minutes to build 1. So if I can just pick up the pace a little bit, then we'll be good. Okay. Alright. So what's your favorite emoji? Ever?
Well.
Well, like, what's the one that you use the most?
The confused look.
Me too. No. I probably use the laughing, crying one the most.
Yeah, I use that one quite a bit, actually.
Okay, so this is too wide. So we're going to need to fix that. This one's having some issues.
Yeah, I'm having some issues here for sure.
Okay, sure. That's a circle. Why not? Of course, definitely. Okay, so now, how are we gonna... We need a... Why does it say you left the game?
I hope it didn't. Oh.
Okay, wait, hold on. I'll stop the timer. Pause it. Okay, come back. All right. So, I don't know how I'm supposed... What just happened? I don't know how I'm supposed to make this shape, but you know what? I'm working on it. I'm trying. That looks kind of, right? Maybe. Maybe a little bit. Is that even? Yeah. What? Oops, that's not where that's supposed to go. Oops. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's one too wide. Oh no! This is not. Alright. No! I don't understand how.
Oh my goodness.
Just how?
Oh.
What? What?
I'm just having my normal issues.
Alright, there's that. Oh wait. Okay. So I just need to make a... Let's see. That's too wide. What if we go like this? Sure, that will work. You know what? It will. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What?
Oh, I don't know. Seemed like it skipped around on me a little bit here. I don't know what's going on.
What?
Hmm?
Okay. We just gotta fill this in. I don't know, my emojis are all facing like the same direction.
Oh, goodness.
What?
I broke my emoji.
Okay. So. Maybe I can fit in 4, but probably not. I can fit in 4, that would be amazing. But I don't think I will be able to, because this next one's kind of hard. These don't really look, they don't look too circular. Mine don't. I don't know if yours do.
I don't know if mine do or not.
I don't think
Kinda.
mine do. Guys, I don't know if you can hear that, but my cat's purring really loud into the microphone. So that's always fun. Okay, let's see. Okay, that emoji did not actually take that long. So let's see, how much longer do we have? We have 5 minutes. So I'm gonna try and do one more. I don't know how it'll work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How much time do we have?
5 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna try to get it done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. This is cutting it really close. A little too close for comfort. But if I pull this off, again, I've never not finished, so I don't want this to be the first time. Some of you guys were asking how long this series would go on. And my plan is to make it go on until one of the totem poles is completely full of lights. So that could be really soon, or it could be in a really long time. So, yeah.
How many are filled?
What do you mean?
Lights.
Oh, so one has 3 filled and one has 2 filled. And I'm pretty sure they have 10 total slots. So, like, one person could just keep winning and it would go really fast. Or we could keep tying. Or, like, I win one and then they win the next one. So, it could be a long time. Might not be that long. Okay. What?
I'm just laughing at my stuff over here.
Okay. That looks so weird. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do that instead. That looks better. Its mouth. Oh my gosh. Why does it look like that? Mine looks like a chipmunk or like a squirrel. Oh my gosh. Weather clear. Okay, how much time do we have? We have 2 minutes.
I think that's it.
2 minutes. I'm almost done. I think. What if we went like this? Oh, that looks better. That looks so much better. Are you done?
I'm just goofing off a little bit here and there.
Okay. How many did you get done?
6.
What? You built 6 emojis? How was that even possible?
I'll show you.
I only built 4. What?
I'll show you what I did.
You like...
I had a little trick up my sleeve.
You came through. I thought for sure I was going to win.
Oh. My goodness.
All right, so we have about 1 minute left.
1 minute left, and I was doing something, and something happened.
What? Okay.
Where's the one I was? I had. What did I do?
This emoji looks kind of weird. I don't know why. Maybe its eyebrows are too high. Oh, maybe its eyes are too high. Which half looks better? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine. What? It's fine. Okay, we're fine. Okay, you know, you can tell what mine are. That's what we should do. When we go around, we should try and guess what they are. Okay? I'm, like, surrounded by them. Like,
I think I.
Oh, time's up.
Oh.
All right, so we're going to go to yours
Oh.
first, as always. So let's go.
See, now you asked how I did 6.
Oh.
I did them double-sided.
Whoa!
So.
That's really cool. Okay, wait. So this one is the upside down one. That's beautiful. I love it.
Where are you?
This one is the rolling eyes one.
Which one?
This one over here.
Yes.
That one? This is the rolling eyes one?
Kinda, yes.
Yes, okay.
Looks like I made two the same.
This one is the smiling one. And then on the back of it,
I should have left the white out of the eyes.
this is the frown.
I'm
No,
looking at
I
it
kind
now.
of like it. This one. Oh, that's that one that's like surprised. And this one's a sticking tongue out one. I like yours. I like how they're double-sided. That's really cool.
That was my trick.
That's really cool. That might make you win it. That's really cool. Okay, let's go over to mine.
They're very simple emojis.
Mine are a little too
They're not even
orange.
really true emojis, actually, a couple of them.
Yeah, but I like
You
them.
can say there's something and I just didn't know what they were, but
You just kind of made them up.
I made them up.
Mine are a little orange now that I'm looking at it, but let's go look at mine.
And I like that, I think.
Go turn around.
Your colors are much more exciting.
Okay, let's go look at mine.